Sure, me to Bursho. When I chat Jardino, I tell the whole story. When I curse Prince Gun, when I say bad words, and I said, what's that? The used word from Rodelio de Guman. That words, even from Dan Mardayaw. PI words, correct. PI. That's called PUTANGINA. Oh, I do not want to say that words, ha. It's censor. I know this is my responsibility when I heard Teacher May Tibur show. I I apologize to Teacher May. I say to Teacher May, I told to my dad I was kicked out in CDIFI. I know this is my responsible that I punched Teacher May's head. When I curse bad words at Prince Gun. Oh, I tell that to Franco Morales. When I tell the whole story was, I know that this is my problem. I apologize to my brother. I apologize to Teacher May. I am also a bad influence like David Dimagiba in, in Batang Quiapo. Oh, I'm similar of Rigor Dimagiba. I was become bad influence. I know I cannot be like same as Tanggol eh. I know I caused lots of trouble. Unlike Tanggol, he caused of lots of troublemaker. He was beaten by his own father, Rigor. Oh. But for me, I just suggest to everyone, if you want to forgive me, I want to apologize to Teacher May, to Borsho. If you're watching this, or I know Teacher May, if you're watching this, I want to apologize for putting you in my enemy list. I'm sorry that I threatened to arson your house. I threatened to say the words. I'm similar like Paulo Cruzada's behavior. I felt sorry. I felt this psychological distress. I know you are my former teacher. When you even scolded me, I know I'm the one who's responsible. I know. I just say to Teacher May, I apologize to Teacher Jessa Fernandez and to her husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas. Oh, I made the one who made the fake account. Oh, I'm the one who make fake account of JD Biniegas. This is my fault too. Oh, I'm the one who attacked Teacher Vincent Ramos and Teacher Gio Malana. And I'm the one who attacked, who's it? I still remember. Luis Cabales. Oh. I know this is my responsible. You know, Teacher May, I just want to apologize to you. You are my former teacher. And you and Ate Rona are very kind at me, especially rather than those bullies. Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo. I'm here to apologize to you, Teacher May. At least before pandemic, you always forgiven me. Oh, and she asking me about what is it before? I talked with J. Rick Silva. My girlfriend ka na ba? Like I said, I said not yet. Oh, of course. Roslyn Makadesh is not my girlfriend. She is my friend. Teacher May jokes me that she is my girlfriend. She is my friend. Nobody cares about girlfriend. Roslyn and I, we're friends. Compared to Teacher Kella and I, we're close friends. Even, who among close friends anyway? Oh, everyone are close friends. So I know we're friends anyway. Nobody to say girlfriend. I know I apologize to you, Teacher May. And by the way, Teacher May Tibur Show, one of my friend, Franco Morales, had sent you a message. Congratulations to your nephew, Rafael. Oh, at least your nephew, Rafael, makes you proud. Me, I'm just never chat with Rafael. I've been seeing Rafael Tibur Show when I seen that YouTube of Teacher May while she was in Hong Kong. And even Teacher May, I saw in her YouTube, it was Rafael. Of course, I know Rafael. This guy, I remember him. She has a niece, Isabella. But for me, I will never accuse Teacher May. If you're watching this, Teacher May, I apologize to you. And God, you put me in expelled. They really hate me as well. And please, I say to you, Teacher May, tell Ate Emily and Ate Mel, how are you anyway? Oh, I just say to you, oh, I call in the telephone. I said, how are you? Oh, oh, I know I want to be responsible too in social media. I will never be happen again, Teacher May. I know I've been apologized to David Gill and his family. I apologize to everyone, even Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gia Malana. It's not enough of apology. It will never be happen again. As for me, Teacher May Tiburcio, if you understand this, you are my former teacher. When we ever see each other, we always see each other. I say it again. I don't want to criticize you, Teacher May. I know I apologize to you. You are still my former teacher, and I know I understand what I felt my guilt was. If you're watching this in my YouTube video, I know I want to apologize to you, Teacher May. You're still my former teacher. I understand that I will never be happen again. I will be good now. I said I became a bad influence. I've been possessed by Dan Mardayaw and even Cedric Mariano. Because I know I just warned by Roylan Marlang and Carl Vilus. You should never join them. And Roylan said to me, you should join with your own friends. Makisali ka sa mga kaibigan mo, like what he said to me. Oh, I understand with Roylan. Oh. I don't want too much false. I know this is my fault too. If you understand this, Teacher May Tiburcio, David Gill and his family member, even Mr. Dennis Gill, even the family members of Teacher May, I know I want to apologize that I put you in my enemy list. I know. I'm sorry, Teacher May, for putting you in my enemy list. I apologize that I edit your picture and I posted in TikTok with Bangag Bongbong Marcos. I thought you are Marcos loyalist. I didn't say that Teacher May was an anti-Marcos. But I said, oh, she's really an anti-Marcos. Oh, I didn't say that from my Ninong Michael. Like I said, oh, Teacher May Tiburcio is an anti-Marcos. I just want to apologize to Teacher May. That I will never be happen again. I know, Teacher May, I just want to apologize when I made my YouTube video. You're still my teacher. I really miss you, Teacher May. When you really miss you, when you're retired, you always spend bonding with your family. Thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio, for lecturing Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano. Oh. Thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio, for teaching about social media etiquette. And what I say, thank you. Oh, yes, thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio, for giving me a t-shirt, that red one. Yeah, I really miss you. I say again, when I talk to Bill Galang, miss na miss kita, Teacher May. Oh, I really miss you. And I said, how long you been stay in the time that you are not teaching? Oh, I know Teacher May is already retired, and I know I apologize, Teacher May. I made my YouTube blog. I never want to criticize Teacher May. I've been experienced in my time. I always respect Teacher May. And also, if I watching this in my video, I hope, Teacher May Tiburcio, have fun with your family and your friends. Have fun with your cousin. Who's the cousin of Teacher May I mentioned? Oh, your cousins and your relatives. Oh, have fun. I know I've just apologized to Teacher Gio Malana. I edited his picture. I put him in TikTok together with, who's it? My former enemy, Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Even Pura Luca Vega in the Lady Boy picture. Even who's it that I mentioned by Terra Francisco who throw the puppy? Jojo Malikdim, I mentioned. Teacher May doesn't know what happened it. Yeah, at least Teacher May already know that Jojo Malikdim was being expelled from SM North and is no longer to be a security guard for what he has done, and he threw the puppy away in the footbridge. But I know Teacher May Tiburcio. I just wanna clearly that she is my former teacher. I understand with Teacher May. The time I remember Teacher May, she gave me t-shirts eh. And even you, Teacher Evelyn, I know I want to apologize to you. I know I was being kicked out in CDIFI. I know I'm being expelled. And I know we're being quit. My dad said to me, we don't have money. I know for you, Teacher Evelyn, I apologize to you. I know I was very angry. I know I was angry at Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo. Both of them, they should never be in CDIFI. Replace other teacher aide. If Ate Dina retired, you should replace one. Oh. You remember Ate Marie when she retired? Oh, she was really retired too. Oh. I know what my reality. She just retired. She was in Tacloban. And she was alongside with Teacher May when they're retired too. Oh. I know I apologize to Teacher May. I'm the one who make fake account of May Tiburcio when I bully, who is it, Shania Kiana. Oh, when I bully everyone. Oh, I know this is my responsible when I attack Teacher May, when I criticize Teacher May. Of course, like I say again, Teacher May is a teacher. It will never be happen again. I know when I hurt my brother who put me the lock of my cell phone. Because I'm just turning up the PS4. And why you always monitoring me? I have nothing to do anyone. Me, I apologize to David Gill and his family when I made my YouTube video. I apologize to all teachers in CDIFI. They want to sue against me, and I know it will never be happen again. Including to Vince Ramos, Gio Malana. I'm the one who made the fake account. Oh, I'm the one who's responsible. I was kicked out. Oh, I was being expelled. Oh, I was being expulsion. Forget about the CDIFI. It never be exist. I say to Jordan Pilapil, Teacher Evelyn was already retired. I know I apologize to Teacher Evelyn. I say again, Jordan Pilapil, forget about the CDIFI. I say to my mom, forget about CDIFI. It never be exist. For just example, how would Quitin to enroll in CDIFI, the son of Candy Pangilinan? I suggest to Quitin to enroll in St. Joseph, the school of Giardino. Oh, I suggest to Quitin enroll the other school. Oh, there's ILCC. Oh, the school of Shania Kiana and Patrick Eason. Oh, enroll there. I know this is hard to say. Forget about CDIFI. It never exists. Wala na pong CDIFI. Oh, it's already gone. I talked to the telephone. The one of the friend of Teacher Evelyn told me, the CDIFI is no longer exists. They build a new building. Oh, when Bill Galog posted in Facebook, gagawa daw CDIFI face to face. How would I say to Bill Galang it's gonna build the CDIFI? It never exists. I say again, I repeated many times, paulit-ulit lang ang sinasabi ko. Like I said, wala na nga po ang CDIFI. It's already demolished. Oh, it's already demolished. I've been talk with the I've been told that from Teacher May and Teacher Evelyn. I heard it at CDIFI, the temporary building is going to be demolished by 2022. Oh, they're gonna move to other building. Oh, there's no CDIFI in PCMC. Forget about CDIFI. I asked Dr. Mimi Avendaño, why not mention about ILCC instead of CDIFI? ILCC, I remember the school in Mandaluyong. I've been talk with Sir Paulo Cuba when he visited there. Talk about ILCC. I said again, if you want to be hired in ILCC as a principal, Teacher Evelyn Caja, you can be a new principal. At least she is retired also. How old was Teacher Evelyn? 75. Oh, she's older than Nanay Ningning. Oh, I asked Teacher Evelyn, you can find your own other job. If you want to be a principal, go to Colf. Oh, mention about Colf. Mention about ILCC. Instead of CDIFI, let's move on about. There is no CDIFI in the future. I was kicked out. Remember that. This is my fault. I know I want to say to you, Teacher Evelyn and Teacher May Tiburcio, I know this is my fault too. I will never be happen again. Oh. I removed Teacher May and Teacher Evelyn in my enemy list. Because I don't want to bully them. And here's the lesson to you, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, why did you arson Teacher May's house? And I said, Paulo Cruzada, respect Teacher May. You want to be happen to me? I was kicked out in CDIFI. How about you, Paulo Cruzada? If you're being kicked out in CDIFI, who will you blame yet? Yourself. Me, I blame myself that I'm the one who causing trouble. Here's the one thing for Paulo Cruzada. Make a public apology to Teacher May. Make a public apology to Teacher May that she will never do that again. Paulo Cruzada, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Pag namatay ang magulang mo, Paulo Cruzada, sino ang aalagaan sa'yo, like I said? Oh. Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. I've been talking with J. Rick Silva. Oh, and Franco Morales. I always reconcile with Teacher May. I respect Teacher May. Just show a little respect to Teacher May. Make a public apology to Teacher May and say to Teacher May, I'm sorry anyway. Oh, I apologize for all my made up mistake for what I did to everyone. I know, I say to Paulo Cruzada, that is your fault. Oh. I say to Paulo Cruzada, do not bully Teacher May. I know I apologize to Teacher May. I punch her head. I say a bad words in Messenger to Prince Gan. Because I know this is my consequence. Like others, like me, I was being doctrined by Danmar Dayaw and Cedric Mariano to attack David Gill. Who's the responsible anyway? Cedric and Danmar. And I'm the one who's responsible. Because I know I described Cedric and Danmar are abnormal because they attacking David Gill. Because I know I say to my dad, they the one who bully David Gill, even Rodelio Daguman. If I'm saying if Danmar Dayaw got sued, I will never be happen again. I chat Ramon Jose. I told him, tell Danmar Dayaw enough about politics and stop brainwash Cedric. to make fake account of Rodelio Daguman. At least Danmar understands. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada, do not bully Rodelio Daguman. I'm not Rodelio Daguman, Teacher May, sorry. Teacher May. I'm sorry, not Rodelio Daguman I'm talking about, sorry. Paulo Cruzada, I'm just gonna say to you, do not bully at Teacher May Tiburcio. Don't you even know Teacher May is already retired? Oh, if I say again, Paulo Cruzada, if you visit Teacher May's house, you need to apologize. Write the letter, make a public apology. Oh, may I make a public apology to Teacher May? I will never say bad words at Prince Gun. Oh, that's enough about bomb threat. Oh, enough about anything. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, where did you get the bomb threat? Or where did you get those words? Provinciano? Me, I will pretend like a suicide bomber, pretending like Alakdan, oh, the character ng Provinciano, oh, who is main antagonist portrayed by Jong Hilario. I make up suicide bomber when I watch Batang Quiapo, like Santino who wants to kill Tanggol. Oh, did you watch that, Paulo Cruzada? For me, don't imitate that. Me, I never imitate that too. It's not a video game. Oh, I imitate that in television series in Batang Quiapo. I've been watching Batang Quiapo for 2023 until 2026. But for you, Paulo Cruzada, respect Teacher May. I'm the one who kicked out in CDIFI. I never say that to my dad. I was kicked out. They didn't like me too. I know Teacher Evelyn kicked me out too. And I apologize to Teacher Evelyn. And I say to Teacher Evelyn, I quit. Oh. When I quit, I quit. Oh. That's simple.